6 gardening methods, 1 backyard, 60 days. Only one works for beginners. The one everyone recommends came in last. Same seed, same sun, same water. 6 methods. I tracked yield, cost, time, and difficulty. Here are the results. Method 1, in-ground. The roots hit clay 6 inches down. 60 days later, 9 ounces. A quiet disaster. Method 2, container. 1 bucket, holes drilled, good potting mix. 20 ounces. Big jump from the in-ground bed. Method 3, raised bed. Perfect drainage, warm soil. 43 ounces. 3 times the in-ground bed. Now in the lead. Method 4, hydroponics. Pump failed on day 14. Plant survived, but stunted. 11 ounces. Worse than the clay disaster. Hydroponics punishes beginners. Here's the truth nobody's telling you. Down here, in living soil, I do the work the hydroponic farmer does manually. When his pump dies, I keep working. Method 5, vertical tower. Vines climbing by day 14. Fruit on 3 levels by day 30. This changes things. 56 ounces. Half an hour of work per week. The tower beats the raised bed on every single metric. Both came from Bootstrap Farmer. 22 gauge steel, 20-year warranty. Code GROWLAB10 in the description gets you 10% off. Method 6, aquaponics. Fish feed the plant cleans the water. Beautiful, but it costs $450. 34 ounces, $9.80 per pound. The worst cost on the board. Admire it? Don't start your garden with it. Final leaderboard. Tower first, raised bed second, aquaponic third, container, hydroponic, in-ground bringing up the rear. The clay won last. Tower wins yield, but raised bed wins for beginners. A raised bed teaches you soil. A tower hides soil from you. Less than 10 square feet? Start with a tower. 10 or more? Start with a raised bed. Skip the rest. Whichever you choose, feed me. Feed the soil. The soil feeds the plant. Watch the last video next. The 4 mistakes 95% of beginners make. Subscribe. See you Friday.